Hi, everybody. It's Adam.
And me, Pepe the pig. Hello. Hello, stinkers.
They're not stinkers. The pigs are the stinkers.
Oh, that's right. I'm the smelly one. Hello for me.
All right. Hey, besides smelly things, I want to talk today about how to talk to people.
What about pigs?
You're right. Pigs are important too. I'm not, leaving pigs out of this.
Oh, it's no big deal. I just want to be included.
Okay. One thing is, sometimes it's hard to talk to people. I'm good at it now because I'm older, but there's something you can practice. Do you want to know what it is?
Sure.
It's a song I learned when I was a kid, and it went like this.
Okay, go.
It was who, what, why, how. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Who, what, why, how. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Let's get busy!
Well, I don't get it.
Those words, who, what, when, where, why, and how. I don't have an extra finger. Can you put your nose there?
Got it.
All help us be able to talk to people. Because sometimes when we don't ask good questions, the conversation goes and goes nowhere.
Oh, so it's kind of how to talk to people?
It is. Because when you don't ask good questions, the conversation bleh, goes nowhere. And it's kind of like the unwonderer in Superflex. It just doesn't go anywhere. And he's kind of like, meh. And he doesn't really connect with anybody or anything. He doesn't ask good questions. So, you want to try it?
I can try.
All right, here's what it is. I'm going to start to say something, and I want you to give an example of that who, what, when, where, why, or how, and then you'll be able to have the conversation more. Okay?
Okay, go.
All right, guess what? I'm excited about the snow. I'm excited about spending some time in the snow. I'm going to be with my family. We're going to go skating. We're going to go sledding. It's going to be awesome.
Who are you going with?
Nice job. On who? I'm going to go with my family. I have a wife, I have 2 kids, and I'm going to see my sister and her kids too. It's going to be fun.
Where are you going?
Good job. We're going to a lake, and it's going to be kind of fun. It's a lake in Chaska.
Oh, why?
We're actually going to go because we didn't get to celebrate for Christmas. And so we're going to get together, and we're going to have a party. It's going to be an outside party, so it's going to be fun.
How long?
You're doing a good job with these questions. Okay, we're going to be there for about 2 or 3 hours, or until it gets really cold outside, and then we're going to be like, I'm cold, I'm done.
I think I did it.
You did. You asked a bunch of good questions, and you helped keep the conversation going. If you get stuck, just remember who, what, why, how. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Who, what, why, how. Who, what, when, where, why, and how will help you have a very good and not an unwondering conversation. Have a good day.